Stuck on an island where we're stuck with you and we're always smiling.
So cute with the packaging and shit.
So it's Sunday and Judah stopped by. She has a photo shoot, well, 2 photo shoots. Got me girl out twice. So she did the first one when she stopped by to try a cheesecake, not a cheesecake, a carrot cake.
This was your first time making this?
Yeah.
You're lying.
It's good, right? Yeah. Now
And
time.
man's hungry, so.
Hmm?
Man's hungry, so it's extra good.
So we're gonna go church and then I'll tell you what the people them think. I'll interview them maybe.
Look at you.
Alright, so fortunately I remembered about the whole camera thing, so I carried the camera to church so I can show you guys like what the people them think about the cake.
And she said unto her husband, Behold now, I perceive that this is an holy man of God.
My sacrifice, my purpose of coming on this earth. So we do it because we know that Jesus came. And never, it was just a show. But he came and did business that we might be where the Father is. I want to sample that. You understand me?
Yeah.
So, you understand me? So I'm going to ask now that the kids we're going to put up and the females will be served
joke on the cheesecake
first.
and the carrot cake.
Alright? So in the meantime, please get on your
Big
tithe
budget,
and
I
your
go
offering. I'll send it for a month. Do you want that? I'll send it for a month. Huh? Yes.
Yes, I did.
That's a long time, and this young man is hungry. What do you want? What we? Lasagna. Alright. So you will sit right here. Sit right here. Lasagna for both of them, alright? Or this is for who?
This is for the fifth baby.
Give it to me.
No, my third is. Yeah, okay. What else you want? Nothing else? Nothing?
Not gonna lie, food smell good, but the kids enough to eat first. So watch out, mac and cheese with some beans, peppered steak, rice and peas, fish, curry goat, shake and bake, veg and sprat, and lasagna. It's about that time, you know. No, seconds for carrot cake.
You will tell them to keep, tell the adults to keep their part? Yes. Adults please keep their part. In case if you want second.
Let me see what Mama Bear think now.
Yeah, the feeling is very nice.
Stephen!
Yeah, I don't have a mixer. Never.
Oh, okay, alright, I don't know. Well, it's good.
Jude with Stephen. Family.
No, we're gonna start selling carrot cake.
I believe so. That's what start
Place your order. And the cost is I will message you all the price.
Manager.
That's right.
Alright guys, so just got home. Pretty much everybody who had the cake loved the cake. They were like, yo, the ice thing on it turn up. Who never eat ice thing love it because this was like a really good one. So yeah, I'm happy with the feedback. I never really went around and like put camera on people's face and ask them what you think, because to be quite frank, I like when people come to me and be like, yo, it did nice, isn't it? That way me know me get an honest opinion as opposed to, isn't it? So I got a good review and I enjoyed that. Only one thing, Judah's mom, Mama Bear, she was like, the cake was a little bit tight, which is true because it have a more of like a it's soft, but it have a more like a total type of texture, and that's because the mixer, like I didn't have a mixer that could whip in the air into it. So anyway, that's it. But anyway, I just got home and did a little bit of quick shopping really quick for one of my subscribers just ordered their snack pack. Well, several snack packs. This is like 3 snack packs to be quite frank, and there's like a whole bunch of stuff in here, like over 40. The 3 of them come with like what, 45 snacks total, and I'm sure I put in maybe like 50 snacks, you know, different stuff in there, you know. Yeah, you guys know, like I do this thing. It's a great way for me to connect with you guys, to be quite frank. It's not a business where I put out there and be like, guys, you know, everybody come buy from me. It's for Soai vlogs. So you see me, if you know a Jamaican person who wants whatever, or you're a Soai vlogs fan and you watch the channel and thing, you don't know, I'll do it for you. This person pretty much just said, yo, they gave me a basic idea what they wanted, and they asked for all that stuff, you know, and I just took the time out to just get stuff that I thought that they might really like. For example, when I was speaking to them before, they got they were saying that they got like soursop leaves, and I'm sure I picked up a box of soursop tea, which I think would be really nice. They ordered supplicant and whatever, which really isn't a part of the snack pack, but yo, I'm not here to kill anybody. It's like, yo, I'll make it work, you feel me? So I got that for them and some holy pot or something, so I'm happy with that. But anyway, enough of that. I'm gonna pack this and then get this one shipped off. For those who ordered your snack packs, I've already shipped off those orders already, so no big deal with that. This one will be shipped off tomorrow, and yeah. But thank you for coming with me on this little experience. Yeah, remember these 3 things. Matter of fact, I'm gonna make a subscriber take you out like I made a subscriber take you in. Here we go.
Love, nature, adaptation. Keep the link, and don't forget to like and subscribe. From Canada to JA and beyond. Peace.